Are you looking in a world where every detail matters in bathroom organization? The humble toilet paper holder has evolved into a functional, design-forward accessory. Whether you need built-in storage, sleek wall mounting, or hands-free convenience, today's holders offer far more than just a place to store your roll. This guide reviews the best toilet paper holders, evaluating features like design, build quality, capacity, installation ease, and overall value. List no Tinvia toilet paper holder with phone shelf. The Tinvia toilet paper holder with phone shelf blends function and style with a smart, modern design. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, this wall-mounted holder includes a sleek shelf that conveniently holds a phone, wet wipes, or other small items. The matte black finish fits contemporary and industrial bathrooms alike, while its sturdy adhesive mount offers an easy no-drill option, though screws are included for more secure installation. The shelf adds extra utility, especially in compact bathrooms where counter space is limited. Users love the solid build and minimalist aesthetic, though the shelf might be a bit narrow for large smartphones or bulky items. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those wanting modern practicality without clutter. List number: toilet paper holder stand, tissue paper roll dispenser with shelf for bathroom storage. This toilet paper holder stand with shelf is a freestanding unit designed for versatility and additional storage. Its top shelf provides space for essentials like air fresheners, candles, or even a smartphone, while the base stores multiple spare rolls, ideal for busy households. Built from sturdy metal with a powder-coated finish, it resists rust and blends well with both modern and farmhouse-style bathrooms. No installation if needed. Just set it down and you're ready to go. The tall, stable base ensures it won't tip over easily. However, the footprint is slightly larger than minimalist alternatives, making it better suited for medium to large bathrooms. It's an excellent pick for renters or those avoiding wall damage. List No. Sanmar Classic Element Paper Towel Dispenser Wall-Mounted Commercial Roll Dispenser. Perfect for high-traffic restrooms. The Sanmar Classic Element Dispenser is a commercial-grade solution for paper towel dispensing. Designed to accommodate large rolls, it features a durable plastic build with a smoke-colored translucent cover that allows you to monitor supply levels easily. Its wall-mounted design saves space and adds a clean, streamlined appearance to commercial or shared bathrooms. It includes a tear-resistant lever mechanism for hygienic, hands-free dispensing. Installation is straightforward, and the locking mechanism helps prevent tampering or theft. While it's not designed for toilet paper rolls, it's ideal for commercial environments prioritizing hygiene and efficiency. List number: Sanmar Classic Element Paper Towel Dispenser Wall-Mounted Commercial Roll Dispenser. Duplicate. The second listing of the Sanmar Classic Element Dispenser is identical to the previous product, offering the same commercial-grade functionality. As such, if you're furnishing a public restroom or commercial space, this model remains one of the most reliable and tamper-resistant options on the market. Its universal design supports a wide variety of roll brands and sizes, adding convenience and versatility. Note that this listing may be a duplicate or variation in packaging or distribution, so double-check the specs if purchasing. Again, not ideal for personal bathrooms, but exceptional for public washrooms. List number 5. Kitzer Toilet Paper Holder Freestanding. Rust-proof metal toilet paper stand for 4 rolls. The Kitzer Toilet Paper Holder Freestanding is a practical and durable choice for households looking for ample storage and mobility. This compact stand can hold 1 roll in use and up to 3 spare rolls in its base. Made of rust-proof stainless steel, it suits humid bathrooms and offers years of reliable performance. The stable, weighted base prevents tipping, and the compact footprint makes it ideal for tight spaces like guest bathrooms or apartments. Its no-drill setup is great for renters, and the modern minimalist design complements a range of decors. The only drawback? Some users wish the vertical storage area had a protective cap to keep rolls in place during movement.